Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this tablet. Begin by opening Settings. Then you need to scroll down and click on Biometrics and Security. Now select Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Finally, click on Continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can switch on or off Stay on Lock Screen until Swipe feature, and when you're ready, tap on Done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my tablet. In order to delete face data, you need to access the same settings. Click on Face Recognition, enter your current login method, and tap on Remove Face Data at the top. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!